You asked for me, you must know me.
Kara.
We broke up.
You wanted to do a holiday?
I just realized I'm done for today.
Coden.
How about me? I got milk? Yeah, she got milk too. Am I popular? I ate my girl. It's only the career center who's making oh shit.
That's a good thing.
No, me and Fred got milk. From the food stamp place. That's not Fred, that's just me. Okay, you got milk. Don't read that shit. Hey, Susie. Oh, I ate the fries in the bag. See, this is so stupid. Guess what it's saying? Your case closed for failure to provide all request information or missed of you.
Boy.
Our case is closed?
Yep.
No,
Terminate.
this paper is stating it, that it's closed. But when I spoke to my caseworker, he said that he's just waiting for the signature.
Maybe he just